What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. That's right, the fan edition. This is the rear cameras on this device at 4K 60 frames per second. And Samsung's always done a great job with video cameras, with their Notes, with their S series, you name it. They absolutely do a great job with it. Now, this is the 4K 60, so let me know how that stabilization is, video quality. You know it, the works on this device, because it is a great deal at a great specs. You know what I mean? You get A65 Snapdragon, wireless charging, waterproofing, 120 hertz display, you name it, the works. This thing is just absolutely bananas. Let's do a little zoom here on the tree so you guys can see how smooth it is. Oh yeah, this is more than smooth. Wow. Oh yeah. So on the video camera, you could basically go across to the park, 10 times zoom. So that's pretty good, you know. I mean, whatever you're doing, I guess you could do it. But as far as the focus on here, let's see. Yeah, it's pretty fast. I mean, you got, it's pretty instant. Pretty good. I'm really impressed with this phone. I like the size of it. I like the quality of it. Although it has that plastic back, it has aluminum frame. It's got a Gorilla Glass 3. It's not a 6 or Victus, but hey, it does give you the goodness. But that's gonna do it, man. Follow me on Twitter at Android Stud, also on Instagram. Leave a comment down below. Like this video, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more on the Galaxy S20 fan edition. But for now, I'm gonna get out of here.